What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a volume cap on European Sony Walkmans. So I have here a NW-A45 series, where because this is a European model, which is imposed on most of these European Sony Walkmans. There used to be a service menu which you were able to just disable the volume cap. But in this instance, we have to change some of the firmware on the Sony Walkman. Now, Sony doesn't actually give you a tutorial on how to do this, so you have to figure this out yourself, which is kind of annoying. So what we need to do is, with this NW-A45, we need to change the destination code, change it from Europe to a different country where there is no volume cap. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's real simple. You just need a PC to do this and just download a software. So the first thing you want to do is connect your Sony Walkman to your PC or Mac or Linux system. And you need to download the driver, or should automatically download the Sony Walkman driver. And like I said, I'm using the A45 series, but this will work on various other models, which I'll show a diagram of which models can be uncapped. So to double check whether the Walkman is connected to your PC correctly, you can just go onto your PC, and here's mine's on letter F, and then the SD card is M, but we just need to remember this letter here later on to change the destination code and region. You then want to go onto this website here, which is rockbox.org. I'll put a link in the description below. As you can see, this is all of the models in which you can put the uncap or change the destination. The first thing you want to do is download the pre-built tool, the SCSI tool. Click on it, press download. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download the 32 or 64-bit Windows application. And then here just tells you that you should double check that your Walkman is coming up and making sure that the device is connected. Right, so now we need to download this bat file, which is a command prompt, an automatic command prompt, which will work with the SCS tool. So you need to download this as well. You need to right click and save as. Paste the two files in the same folder. And then now we want to open the command prompt. And you want to copy this code here, paste it on, and then where the letter VX is, this is the version of the SCSI tool. I believe mine is 27, so just double check back on the folder. As you can see here, version 27. So we add 27 and then change the H to the letter of your Walkman. So mine is F. And this should bring up the information of your Walkman. I've already changed mine, but mine was set to European. So this is the model number of my MP3 player. It's the A40 series, and my destination code is U, but it was previously set to E. So again, if yours is another region, then you probably don't have to do this unless yours was originally a European Walkman. And then you can see here sound pressure, which is the volume cap. Mine is set to off. If this is 1, that means it's on. So to change the destination and region and language, you need to type this code here, paste it onto the command prompt, and then again change the version where it says X to 27 or whatever your version of SCS ISO is, and then your destination folder. And here we just need to change this. So if yours is E, you can change it to U, or you can change it to any other destination or region. Down below here is a list of all the other regions and whether or not they are capped or uncapped. So I believe mine was actually set to SEW, which is West Europe. And this also changes the frequency, the FM radio frequency. So I've chosen U for USA uncapped, and the FM radio is the same. So I don't need to worry whether my radio is not going to work or not. And then SPS is the sound pressure. So we just can set that to off. Delete SPS and type in off to disable the sound pressure. Once you click enter, I guess because mine's already set to that, it won't do anything. But when you press enter, you should have a thing saying it's successfully changed. And if you want to double check whether it's successfully done, you just go back up to the dest_tool get, press enter, and then it will tell you the difference. Once that's done, all you need to do now is reset or factory reset your Sony Walkman for the changes to be made, and then you will have a uncapped, volume-free Sony Walkman. So your volume should go up to 120 now rather than capped to 70. So that is how you change the destination of your Sony Walkman, and also change the region and the sound pressure or volume cap. So if you need any help, just refer to this website here, which will give you a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So I hope this tutorial has been useful for you guys, and I'll see you again on another one.